Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to enable the display auto lock feature in the MLB app on your phone. This feature helps keep your screen active while following live games and ensures you don't miss any important moments. First, open the MLB app on your smartphone. Next, locate and tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Account Settings. Then scroll down the menu options until you find the Display Auto Lock setting. Once you locate it, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. This action will prevent your screen from locking automatically while using the app, making your viewing experience smoother, especially during live games or highlights. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and enjoy your MLB app experience.